In this video, I'll teach you how to make a section sticky in Wix Studio. Start by going on to your Wix website designer, and from here head up in the top right corner and click Open Inspector so we can see what we're doing. Once you've done that, go ahead and mark the section that you want to add the sticky effect to. In this case, I'm going to do to this section right here. So to make sure you mark the right section, just go ahead and look for the blue border around the edge here, and you can also see that we marked this section up here and not an image or anything else within the section. Now, to add the sticky effect, go ahead and click on Design, go down to Position, and choose the position type. In this case, you want to choose Sticky. You can also customize if you want it to stick to the top, the bottom, or the bottom and the top. In this case, I'm just going to stick with the top option. From here, we can go ahead and preview it. And as you can see, when I'm scrolling on the website, it's sticky. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add a sticky effect to a section in Wix Studio. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.